Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to bring your designs to life with awesome animation tricks in Canva? Click the Create button, then choose Videos from the options. For this example, select a landscape video to proceed with your project settings. Go to the Elements tab and search for a C video. Browse through the results, find one you like, select it, and click to play and preview the video. Next, let's add a fish to the video. To do this, go to the Elements panel and search for a fish video. Choose a relevant video clip from the results, then drag and drop it onto your project timeline. This fish appears in the video. To see it in action, click the play button. Once the video starts, observe how the fish moves. If you need to proceed, click the right arrow to move to the next step. Click the video to select it. Then, click Detach from Background. Alternatively, you can choose Detach from Background first, then select your video. This will separate the video from its background for further editing. First, remove the background from the fish image using the background removal tool. Once the background is removed, drag the fish image above the first detail layer in your project workspace. After adding the video to your slide, trim it by selecting the video and dragging the edges to your desired length. Once trimmed, preview the video by clicking the play button to ensure it looks correct. Adjust further if needed until you're satisfied with the result. Notice how it appears to be swimming in the water, giving the effect of motion and lifelike movement. You can also add audio or music by clicking the audio option. Then type swimming fish in the search bar to find relevant tracks. Select your preferred audio and add it to your project. Drag the audio file into the music track area. Once it's placed, make sure the file is selected. Locate the play button in the transport controls at the bottom of the screen and click it to start playback. Listen to the track to confirm the audio is working correctly and positioned where you want it. Click the play button in the media player to start playback. Wait for the video or audio to load, and you should see or hear the content begin. Adjust the volume if needed. Once you're satisfied with your video, simply click the share button to distribute it, or select download to save the video directly to your device. Select the highest quality option in your video settings to ensure your playback is clear and visually sharp. Give your Canva projects a creative spin with these animation tips. Like and subscribe for more design hacks.